Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Nwezi vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And with me today is my beautiful, adorable Asmau Zakari. You guys, if you're an old family member, you should know Zakari by now, Asmau by now. I featured her before, even on my other video. I interviewed her about the whole lockdown in Port Harcourt. So we are here today. She actually glammed my face, you guys. So today, guys, your girl wants to be a makeup artist because I do tell people that I'm a retired makeup artist.
Which one is that one again?
I've been learning makeup all my life.
No, just say you're like let's say spill over students.
I don't understand. I just spill over students. Anyone, but I don't know what to say. But I've been trying to at least have a good makeup that whenever I wear something good, people will appreciate it.
You know? Pretty girl.
Oh my God! Let me just start.
So without makeup, you still look the same.
Oh really? So
I have a very flawless skin.
Oh, thank you. Oh. So Asmau is here today. Like she's the best person to do this collaboration with, because I want to introduce a kind of beauty to my channel. So I want this video is about makeup starter kits. She's going to tell us some makeup, like budget friendly makeup starter kit, like you can just start if you're trying to start your makeup and building your makeup stuff. These are things necessity for you to buy. So Asmau is the best person to tell us these secrets and give us pocket friendly for students, for civil servants, and everything.
Different
no long introduction, guys. So let's move over to the video. So what do you think we can start with as a starter pack for a new makeup artist?
Okay, like first and foremost, for people, especially, it depends on how often you want to wear the makeup. Like you're a working class woman, you go out virtually every day. Okay. So when you're starting a makeup starter kits friendly, our makeup products, I don't know what I'm trying to say to you. So primer is very essential for people that wear makeup every time. And this is like one of my favorite primer. It's from Tara House, like House of Tara.
House of Tara, So how much is this?
Okay, in Nigerian currency, I think it shouldn't be more than 6,000 naira.
Okay.
And all right, okay, now foundations is just choice as well. Okay, like this one is Super Stay, like it's a Maybelline product. It's very, very nice.
And it's a foundation.
Yes, it's a foundation, and it's the foundation 24 hours. That is how you see. Like if you're the type that want to wear makeup for a long time, you understand, from morning to like maybe 9 to 5 kind of work. Now this is good for you. Super Stay Maybelline is in Nigerian one is 4,000.
4,000. Okay.
You convert it to dollar, you know what it is. Then this one is another fine one again. Yeah, that's Super Stay. And this one is also another fine foundation, LA Girl. They also have concealers. I don't know if you know LA Girl concealers, LA Girl
I think
powder.
I've seen it before.
Now this is also very, very nice. I think this goes for like about 4,000 naira.
Foundation.
Which is pocket friendly. Okay, the one that might not be so pocket friendly is the MAC.
Oh, okay.
You understand? You might not, but then some people can still afford it. You understand?
Exactly.
You could actually have it in your collection, just maybe for occasional makeup. Yeah, okay, like me, hey, occasional, maybe you want to go for a wedding or something, and you want to pop. Like, okay, this MAC now goes for like Nigerian money is about 16,000, 16,500 thereabouts. Yeah, so this one is like really on the high side, but it's just choice, and that's why I showed you this one. So now, after the foundation, the next thing we talk about, of course, is eyeshadow.
Eyeshadows, okay.
So just you could get something like this. Like this is a two-way eyeshadow palette. Now, what do you mean by two-way? Now we have matte, and then we have
the other
shiny
one.
So with this, you can do a full eye makeup. You have both the matte, those are the transitional shades, and then the shiny. So for a beginner, this is not too bad, and I think this goes for just 2,500 or so. Not very, very affordable. And you can see it's very safe. It's not an eyeshadow that when it falls on the ground, it breaks. The packaging is very good.
Nice.
Place. Yeah. So now you move to powder. I'm just doing like step by step how you wear your makeup. Now, like I like this powder. I've used it too for a while. Mary Kay.
Okay, Mary Kay.
It's another old time best, another old time goodie. Now it's also pocket friendly. There are other powders so you can choose from them, but I just chose
a lot of them.
Exactly. Now there's even this one Glam Mask. This one goes for
there's Glam Girls too.
Yeah, there's Glam Girl. This one is Glam's makeup. There's Glam Girl.
There's Glam Girl.
This one I think is it's Italy product.
Okay.
Yeah, this is an Italian product. And I still have MAC powder as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I still have MAC powder, so that one is a little bit on the high side. It's just choice. You don't have to use this
exactly.
I'm just telling you choice. And you could also use loose powder. Now loose powder is basically to set.
To set
the face most of the time. Then coming to the eyebrow. Now we have so many things for eyebrow. You could use pencils.
Okay.
You could use eyebrow fillers. Now this is a pencil from Classic. I think this goes for 500 naira.
Okay.
And this is a pencil for Jordan, and this one too goes for 500 naira.
Okay.
And then this one is the one that is slightly a bit expensive. This is Ferrarici eyebrow cream.
Wow.
This one goes for about 2,005.
Okay.
Thereabouts. It's also very good. It has a very mattifying feel. Could last you the whole day. Very, very awesome. As in, I love it. I'll usually use it for maybe a makeup that I want to wear the whole day, or if I'm doing a bridal makeup. Now it doesn't wash off, it's waterproof.
Wow.
So you see, it has a longer duration on the face than the pencils. But then for me, for beginners, I like to advise
exactly, for pencils.
Yes, because when you use pencil, cleaning it on the like when you're trying to define the eyebrow, cleaning it is neater. It's easier. But this one now, you in a lot of pressure, so it's more of professional kind of use. But then you get to a certain point that you might graduate from the pencil and you want to use this one. So I'm just showing you like.
When will I graduate to this one?
Don't worry. So we're together. Don't worry. As long as you attend your classes correctly. Then after drawing the eyebrow, of course, you need concealers to define it. And these are some friendly concealers I have here. They are cream concealers, very easy to use. You could also use your foundation if you like.
Foundation, exactly. I think I used my foundation.
Even the one I did for you was foundation. I used black copper foundation, so you could use it. It's just choice. The difference between concealer and
because
foundation.
I found out that most time I use this one, blending is really difficult for me because
now concealer, we call it, makeup artists most time tell you that concealer is an exaggerated version of foundation.
So
it's a little bit sticky and a little bit that's why it's easily creases. That's why as soon as you put, you have to set it quickly with powder. It's kind of an exaggerated version of and these ones now are blush. If you're the blush type, then good for you. You could also add, but you have to be very careful. You have to use soft colors because as a beginner in makeup, when you use harsh blushes, to make you look like a clown. So you have to go for something very soft, something very soft. Then this one is also kind of a two-way. It's not it's an eyeshadow quite okay, but it has a blusher, shimmery blusher. I don't know, I just something about this, I just like it, and that's why I brought it into the collection. Do you understand? It could be a 2-in-1, it could be a highlighter and at the same time a blush. Can you see? It's also very, very nice. So if maybe you're not in the mood to wear blush, you can just use this. This is a 2-in-1. So technically for now, this is what I could actually introduce a beginner. Because less is more. You don't advise a beginner to go to the shop and pack everything. You come and become useless, or you might just
they might not even know how to use it.
Problem. So just more of selective kind of thing. So basically that's just it. And then lipstick, let's not forget this one. This one now, I don't need to really be precise. You could just go for anything you like. It might be lip stain, it might be lipsticks, it might even be lip pencils. Anyone that works for you exactly. Like today, your lips is pencils or there's no lipstick. So it's just choice. Whatever works for you, just go for it. So that's it. Thank you so much for having me on your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Asmau. Guys, thank you so much. This is just to bring you for people that I know everybody's staying at home now. You might decide to maybe just start your makeup or start
like when I do my makeup videos, a lot of people like we wish we can make up like this. So I tell them consistency. Like I didn't know how to even draw eyebrow to save my life, but like after the consistency trainings here and there, so you could also enroll in some few online classes. Maybe follow me on Instagram. It is a signature makeup.
I'm going to leave her name on the screen.
Exactly. I'm going to organize a free this quarantine period. I'll organize a free online DIY makeup, and so feel free to be part of the class.
And you can also watch a lot of our YouTube videos. She has a lot of YouTube videos where you can draw your brows simple, and
you guys have a very detailed on my channel. I have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial. Yes, but I'll do an updated one of these days.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, Asmau. You guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is just introducing you to some beauty stuff, and we're going to do a collaboration in our own channel right now. So head over to our channel. I will leave the link in the description below, and please do to support. You know why we do collaboration is to support each other, to just help each other, you understand? So we are supporting each other. We are supporting Asmau today. So we are heading over to our channel to just show us some support. Watch our video. We're going to do a very interesting videos also relating to beauty on our channel. So you guys, you need to watch this video. Oh yeah.
Welcome. Come over.
So guys, please check her out, support her, do everything enjoyable on this channel. Hope you enjoy this video. If you want me to put out beauty content more often, because I'm doing my makeup class now.
You're beautiful. Put out beauty content. What are you waiting for?
Are you still
thinking about it?
I'm thinking about it.
You better be ASAP.
Beauty content, beauty routine, and all those things on my channel. She's gingering me to do that. So You guys, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed myself and hope you enjoyed yourself, sweetheart.
Why not? On Uche's channel, you can never be bored. Like, you can, if I divide it, I don't know, what do you inject into people? Me, I don't know.
Oh my God. Thank you all for watching, and head over to Asmau channel, please. I beg you, head over, support us, show us some love, tell her you're coming from Nwezi's channel, okay? Thank you so much, and I remain your girl Nwezi, and she is Asmau
Zakari.
Bye bye. To come your way next time. Bye. God bless you all.